Did you know there's a type of Facebook page that almost nobody talks about, yet it can make your first $1,000 faster than most niches? Stick with me, because I'm going to reveal the secret page type, how to set it up, and the exact steps to attract a US audience. The most profitable Facebook pages right now are not celebrity fan pages or generic memes. They are local lifestyle and hidden gem pages. Imagine a page called Best Hidden Spots in America. Restaurants, coffee shops, hiking trails, quirky museums. People love discovering new places, and businesses love paying to be featured. Here's how you make your first $1,000. Create a page around a US city or theme like Secret Eats in New York or Hidden Adventures USA. Post short, engaging reels and photo stories daily. Use trending audio and geotags so locals find you. Once you hit 5,000 followers, reach out to small businesses. Offer a $200 sponsored post package, 5 clients, and you have hit $1,000. Why does this work? Because small businesses want exposure, and Facebook's algorithm loves local engagement. You are not competing with giant pages. You are building a niche community that feels personal.